Presiding Officer, Senator Judge Escudero. Senate President Gatchalian.
With 14 Senator judges present, the chair declares the presence of a quorum. In accordance with the rules of procedure on impeachment trials, the chair now recognizes the duly elected presiding officer to preside over the proceedings of the impeachment court.
Thank you, Mr. Senate President. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. If there are no objections, the chair shall dispense with the reading of the Journal of the Senate sitting as an impeachment court dated July 22, 2026, and shall consider the same as approved. The clerk of court will please call the case before the impeachment court.
Case number 004-2026 in the matter of impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte.
Appearances?
Good morning, Your Honors. Respectfully appearing for the prosecution, we are ready, Your Honor, for the presentation of our initial witnesses for Article 1, that is confidential fund misuse, misappropriation, and irregular liquidation.
Good morning. Appearances for the respondent?
Good morning, Your Honors. Same appearances for the respondent accused.
Good morning as well. Will the lead prosecutor kindly call their first witness for this morning?
Your Honor, may I request that the head prosecutor of Article 1, confidential fund, the Honorable Joel Chua, be recognized, Your Honor.
The Honorable Chua, member of the panel of prosecutors, is recognized to call their first witness to the stand.
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, same appearance for the prosecution. Your Honor, may we be given a 5-minute opening statement? May we request Representative Laila De Lima to be recognized by the chair, Your Honor?
The chair would like to remind the Honorable De Lima, if indeed she will make an opening statement, to kindly avoid conclusions of both fact and law, as we have previously agreed upon and raised by the defense in previous hearings, and as pointed out by several senator judges. With that conditionality, the Honorable De Lima may proceed with her opening statement.
Your Honor, may we comment on that matter?
Yes, what is the pleasure of Attorney Paul?
Your Honor, I'd like to apologize for having to comment on this matter, but as far as I recall, the presiding officer already made a ruling before against opening statements, Your Honors.
I will be very conscious, Honorable De Lima, with respect to statements of fact and law that are not coming out from the mouth of any witnesses you will be presenting. So kindly be precise and short with respect to your opening statements. You may proceed, ma'am, subject to those reminders.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is about 5 minutes or a little more than 5 minutes. Mr. Senate President, Mr. Presiding Officer, Honorable Senator Judges, mga kababayan, magandang umaga po. Sa ating pagbabudget para sa pamilya, dahil hindi naman unli ang pera, masinop ang ating paggasta sa talagang kailangan at kapakipakinabang natin nilalaan. Ganyan din dapat sa pondo ng bayan. Sa yugtong ito ng paglilitis, pag-uusapan natin ang confidential funds. Ito ang budget para sa mga sensitibo at surveillance-related activities upang suportahan ang mandato ng mga civilian agencies. That a budget is intended for confidential operations does not mean that the conduct of the officials involved in the handling of people's money is exempted from the demands of transparency, scrutiny, and accountability. Public office is a public trust. Yan ang sabi ng konstitusyon. Sakop nito ang lahat na nasa gobyerno. At ang utos na yan ay hindi pwedeng balewalain dahil confidential lang o confidential ang pondo. Ang confidentiality ay para protektahan ang lehitimong operasyon at informant. Hindi ito pahintulot para mag-imbento ng pangalan at dokumento. Hindi ito palusot para ibulsa ang pera. Kung confidential ang pondo, lalo pa ngang mataas ang pananagutang kaakibat nito. The Constitution entrusts this court with the solemn duty to determine whether the respondent vice president committed culpable violation of the Constitution, graft and corruption, and betrayal of public trust. The evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct
Your Honor.
that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft and corruption
Your Honors.
and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission
I
of
apologize
the Honorable De Lima, yes, Counsel for
Your Honors,
Respondent.
again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable De Lima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable De Lima
another-
to kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning, it was okay, Honorable De Lima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already, which the Chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable De Lima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
60 seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Honorable De
Again,
Lima,
with all
kindly
due
wind
respect,
up. Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan sa aking opening statement because
Yes,
this is
but,
supposed to be an
again,
overview
it is the
of the
court's
case,
position,
the overview of the evidence.
To let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima.
I submit to your honors, and so I will wind up. Kapag ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa paraang sumisira sa accountability,
Same
o
objection,
sumusuway
Your
sa
Honor.
pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their money to Vice President Sara Duterte, was that trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials, by press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the prosecution is ready to present it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makita ang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable De Lima, I would have to
Sistematikong
stop
paraan.
you.
This is out of
I would
line.
have to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
My
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Kindly call your witness, Representative Chua.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we are going to present our first witness in the person of Ms. Violeta Constantino.
The clerk of court, through the sergeant at arms, is instructed to situate Ms. Violeta Constantino to the witness stand. Kindly remain standing, ma'am. Clerk of court is directed to administer the oath to the witness.
Please raise your right hand, ma'am. You, Violeta Constantino, do swear that the evidence you shall give in the case now pending between the Philippines and Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Kindly be seated, ma'am.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
You may proceed, counsel,
Thank you,
when you're
Your
ready.
Your Honor, we are offering the testimony of Ms. Violeta Constantino to prove the following. Una, na si Ms. Constantino ay isang retiradong department manager ng Land Bank of the Philippines, Show Boulevard Branch from May 2017 to January 2024. Pangalawa, na ang Land Bank of the Philippines, Show Boulevard Branch ang nagproseso ng encashment ng 4 na cheque payable sa isang Gina F. Acosta sa halagang 125 million each sa mga sumusunod na cheque. Una, Land Bank Check Number 0000244027 na may petsang December 20, 2022. Ikalawa, Land Bank Check Number 0000244053 na may petsang January 31, 2023. Ikatlo, Land Bank Check Number 0000245511 na may petsang April 18, 2023. At ikaapat, Land Bank Check Number 0000245664 na may petsang July 13, 2023. Katlo, na ang mga nasabing tseke ay lahat pinondohan ng Philippine Treasury at nilipat sa account ng Office of the Vice President. Kaapat, na ang 4 na nasabing tseke ay personal na inengcash ng isang Miss Gina F. Acosta bilang SDO o Special Disbursing Officer ng Office of the Vice President noong December 20, 2022, February 6, 2023, April 25, 2023, at July 14, 2023. Ikalima, bilang Department Manager ng Land Bank, Show Boulevard Branch, si Ms. Constantino ay personal na nakasaksi at nag-oversee ng pag-encash at pagtanggap ng pera mula sa tseke ni Ms. Acosta. Ito yung panghuli. Kaanim, iba pang mga bagay-bagay na may kinalaman dito sa impeachment case in relation to Article 1 on confidential funds and in relation to the aforementioned purposes, Your Honor. Ano po ba ang inyong functions and responsibilities?
Ang main function ko po as a branch manager, ako po ang nag-oversee sa lahat ng transactions po ng branch, particularly po sa opening ng accounts, deposits, encashments, withdrawals. Kasama na rin po dito yung pagmamarketing po and other administrative functions.
Okay. Now, kanina, Madam Witness, sabi mo, kayo ay Department Manager sa Show Boulevard Branch. Now, ang tanong ko po, kailan po kayo nagsimula maging Department Manager ng Show Boulevard Branch? Kailan hanggang kailan po? Kung maalala po ninyo.
Nag-start po ako sa Land Bank Show Boulevard Branch noong May 2017 until po nung mag-retire ako noong January 2024.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, nandito po ngayon kayo sa impeachment court. Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, bakit po kayo nandito ngayong araw na to dito sa impeachment court kung alam po ninyo?
Nandito po ako sa araw na ito dahil po naka-receive po ako ng subpoena from the Honorable Impeachment Court to testify po yung knowledge ko regarding po doon sa impeachment trial po ngayon ni VP Sara Duterte.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ano naman po ang kinalaman ninyo sa impeachment?
Yung apat na cheque po ito ay nakapangalan po kay Miss Gina F. Acosta na may amount pong 125 million each.
Okay. Madam Witness, bakit naman po kayo pamilyar dito po sa apat na cheque na binabanggit po ninyo?
Familiar po ako dito kasi ako po yung nag-oversee ng encashment na to nung ako po ay branch manager po ng Show Boulevard branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kung ipakikita po sa inyo itong apat na cheque na in-encash po ninyo sa Show Boulevard branch, pag ipakikita po ito sa inyo, itong kopyang ito, ma-identify po ba ninyo ito?
Opo.
Okay. Madam Witness,
Your Honor.
Yes, Counsel for Respondent, Attorney Paul.
if
What is your pleasure?
counsel is okay with, just to expedite the proceedings, Your Honor, we are willing to stipulate that the witness has the ability to identify these checks.
okay.
Has the ability to identify the checks.
And we are also not questioning the authenticity of such checks, Your Honor.
For the reference of the senator judges, you're referring, Attorney Poa, to the 4 checks which are common exhibits of both parties.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Can we, just to confirm, Clerk of Court is directed to kindly show on the screen the checks being stipulated to and admitted by the respondent. It should be exhibit P128 to P128A1 for the prosecution and exhibit D1130 and D1130 OVP1. Is that it?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So this is one of the checks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly also show the other exhibits that the respondent is stipulating to so that the senator judges can catch up. Given that the respondent is stipulated to the aforementioned checks for 125 million each, dated December 20, 2022, January 31, 2023, April 18, 2023, and July 13, 2023, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Will you also stipulate, Counsel for Respondent, that these checks were encashed as well?
Yes, Your Honor. And that these checks were from the Treasury of the Philippines, and the payee was Gina Acosta, Your Honor.
So that these checks are authentic, that these checks were encashed by Gina Acosta, that these checks cover the face value of 125 million each, encashed on the dates mentioned by the respondent, and that it was encashed by Gina Acosta
As SDO, Your Honor.
as SDO. Given that the counsel for respondent has stipulated and so admitted these facts, counsel from the panel of prosecutors, kindly proceed with other items given the stipulation by the counsel for respondent. There's no need for
Thank
this
you, Your
witness to
Honor.
testify in these matters anymore. Thank you, counsel
Okay,
for
thank you, Your
respondent.
Honor. Your Honor, Madam Witness, dahil po yung harap ng cheque ay inadmit na po ng ating defense, pupunta po tayo dun sa baba. Meron po akong nakikita dito sa screen na image na nakalagay po sa baba at ito po ay asan ba yung ano natin? Ano mas? Ito po ay nakamarka bilang exhibit P-Roman numeral 1-28-A-1. Madam Witness, ano po itong imahe na nakikita po natin sa baba? Kung alam po ninyo.
Sir, pwede po ba ako makahingi ng copy?
Okay.
Medyo malalim.
Your Honor, may we request...
Assisting counsel is authorized to approach the witness as well as assisting counsel from the respondent.
Okay, Your Honor, my assisting counsel, Attorney Cristina Pasicolan, will approach the witness, Your Honor.
The clerk is instructed to kindly magnify the sub-marking being alluded to by the counsel from the panel of prosecutors.
Yung nasa baba po, na may marka po na binanggit ko pong exhibit.
Pakiulit po, please.
Dito po sa cheque, dito po sa screen natin, meron pong imahe. At meron po ditong nakamarkang Exhibit P-1, Roman numeral 1-28-A-1. Ano po itong imahe na to, kung alam po ninyo?
Yung po bang certified true copy po?
Huwag po kayo tumingin dito sa screen. Diyan po sa, yung imahe po, yan po.
Doon po sa isang malaking box.
Yung malaki. Ano po yan?
Ito po yung mga pirma po ng mga empleyado ko po noong time na na-encash po yung check.
Okay, nasaan po yan? Saan bahagi po ng cheque yan?
Doon po sa 3 boxes. So, yung,
Madam Witness, pwede pong pakilapit po yung inyong pakilapit po sa mic yung para marinig po tayo. Yan. Yan pong imahe dyan po sa baba po ng di ba yung taas po. Yan po yung harap ng cheque. Ano po yung imahe na nasa baba? Ano po yan?
bali po, ito po yung signature verified by po ang nakalagay. Apirma po ito ng aming verifier.
Okay, saan po nakalagay yan? Sa may?
Sa upper ano po.
Sa
Yung
dorsal?
po-
Sa
likod
dorsal
po
side ng cheque. Okay.
Opo.
Now,
Yung una
Madam
pong
Witness, dito po sa box na to, meron ditong 3 maliliit na box. Pwede po bang mai-request yung box na to na medyo palakihan at i-zoom po? I-zoom po, papalapit. Yan. Pwede po bang pataas? Pataas, paharap. Pa-rotate po, paki-rotate po, paki-rotate. Medyo mahirap pong tignan. Pwede po bang paki-rotate sa tech? Okay. Hindi pwede? Ay, hindi pwede. Okay. Madam Witness, hindi daw po pwede. Now, Madam Witness, dito po, ayun. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, dito po sa box na malaking to, meron po ditong 3 box na napansin ko. Doon po sa bandang kaliwa, na unang box, may nakalagay po dito, signature verified by. At sa baba po nito, meron pong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kaninong pirma po to kung alam po ninyo?
Ang pirma pong ito ay kay verifier po ng branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pag pumirma ang verifier dito sa box na to, sa signature verified by, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng signature ng verifier ay na-verify niya po yung identity ng payee base po sa kanyang IDs na presinta. At the same time po, na-check niya rin po sa system na ito po ay may advice na galing po sa Office of the Vice President na pwede na po i-release.
Okay. Now, pupunta po tayo sa susunod na box na may nakalagay po ditong posted by. At meron din po ditong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kaninong pirma po itong nakalagay sa posted by? Kung alam po ninyo.
Ang nakapirma po sa posted by ay kay Teller po.
Okay. So, Madam Witness, pag pumirma ang isang teller dito sa box na to kung saan nakalagay ay posted by, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng kanyang pirma? Kung maalala po ninyo.
Ang pirma po ni Teller, ang ibig sabihin po nito ay na-encode na po niya sa system ang lahat po ng detalyado ng cheque.
Okay. Now, pupunta na po tayo sa ikatlong box na may nakalagay pong approved by at meron din po ditong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, kanino naman pong pirma ito? Kung kilala po ninyo.
Pirma po ito ng aming approver.
Okay. Pag pumirma po ang approver dito po sa box na to, ano po ang ibig sabihin ng kanyang pirma?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng pirma ng approver ay nakita niya po na ang pagproseso ng pag-verify po sa cheque ay dumaan po sa tamang proseso at ito po ay pwede na pong i-encash.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, bakit po kayo pamilyar dito sa tatlong pirma na binanggit po ninyo?
Sila po yung aking mga staff nung ako po ay nasa Land Bank Show Boulevard pa po. Ako po yung branch manager.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ang susunod ko pong tanong sa inyo, kailan po na-encash itong checking ito? Kung maalala po ninyo.
As shown po dito sa dokumento na to, ito po ay na-encash ng 20 December 2022.
20. Okay. Now, sabi po ninyo, as shown dito sa record, ano po bang record ang binabanggit ninyo, Madam Witness?
Ito po yung validation ng teller na naka-appear po dun sa ilalim.
Now, Madam Witness, pwede po ba pakituro po sa amin, nasaan po dito sa parting to, ng dorsal side
Ito
ng
po.
cheque, yung binabanggit po ninyo?
Nasa ibaba po, lower right portion.
Lower right portion.
Opo,
Pwede po ba paki-zoom para po mas malinaw at para po sa mas makita po natin ang maigi? Ganun. Yan. Yan. Saan po dito? Ano pong nakalagay?
20 December, DEC 2022.
Yan. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kailan nilagay ang markang ito kung alam po ninyo?
On time po ng encashment.
Okay. Now, pupunta na po tayo sa pangalawang dokumento, Madam Witness. Ito po ay yung check number 0000244053 na may petsang January 31, 2023 at payable sa isang, again, Miss Gina F. Acosta for 125 million pesos. Now, Madam Witness, ano po ang relasyon ng checking ito sa mga checking binabanggit po ninyo kanina? Kung meron man po.
Yan pong cheque na yan ay isa po sa mga apat na cheque po na na-encash po ni Miss Gina F. Acosta nung ako po ang branch manager.
Okay. Madam Witness, hindi ko na po itatanong sa inyo yung taas dahil yung po ay inadmit na at in-stipulate na po natin. Pupunta po tayo doon sa lower portion kung saan may nakalagay na Exhibit P-Roman numeral 1-28-B-1. Now, Madam Witness, ano po itong imahe na minarkahan ng nasabing exhibit? Kung alam po ninyo.
Ito po yung likod ng cheque po.
Okay. Now, bakit po pa kayo pamilyar dito po sa checking ito, Madam Witness?
Ito po yung in-encash nga po nung ni Miss Gina Acosta nung time ko pong manager sa Land Bank Show.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pupunta tayo dun sa malaking box. Pwede po bang paki-zoom in ulit yung malaking box? Pwede po paki-ipatya-tayo po. Yan. Now, Madam Witness, kagaya po ng naunang cheque, ito po ay may 3 boxes doon at nakapaloob po sa malaking box. Doon sa kaliwa, may nakalagay po dito, signature verified by, at meron din pong mukhang pirma. Now, Madam Witness, kaninong pirma po to? Kung maalala po ninyo at kung kilala po ninyo.
Gaya po na sabi ko kanina, ang nakapirma po sa signature verified by ang verifier po ng branch.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, doon naman po sa gitna, meron din po ditong pirma na posted by. Kaninong pirma po to? Kung maalala po ninyo at kung kilala po ninyo.
Sa posted by po, si teller po.
Okay. Doon naman po sa parting nakalagay approved by. Kanino naman pong pirma ito kung alam po at kung kilala po ninyo?
Pirma po yung approver, akin po yung initial signature.
Pirma po ninyo. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, bakit po kayo pamilyar dun sa unang dalawang pirma na binabanggit po ninyo?
Mga staff ko po siya nung ako po ay branch manager po ng Show Boulevard branch at nawi-witness ko rin po yung mga pirma nila sa iba pong mga bank documents.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ito pong pangalawang cheque na nakikita po natin, kailan po ito in-encash kung maalala po ninyo?
As shown po dito sa dokumento, ito po ay na-encash noong 06 Feb 2023 po.
06 Feb 2023. Now, Madam Witness, nasa ang parte dito po sa ligot yung inyong pinagbabasihan?
Nasa lower right po portion.
Lower right portion. Pwede po ba pakituro po ninyo specific? Saan po dyan na nakalagay?
Yun po, 06 Feb 2023.
06 Feb 2020. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, kailan po inilagay ang markang to kung alam po ninyo?
Nung araw po ng encashment po niya.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pupunta na po tayo sa ikatlong cheque.
With the permission of the Honorable Chua, Attorney Poa, is this part of what you stipulated or no?
Actually,
The verifier's signature, the teller's signature, the approver's signature, as well as the date of encashment.
To be candid, Your Honor, it wasn't part, but right now we are willing to stipulate the same. Your Honor.
So, if you're willing to stipulate, let the presiding officer state it for the record that the signature underneath the on the dorsal side of the check with number 000024, kindly show it to the screen, 245511 in the amount of 125 million pesos with the payee as Gina F. Acosta, dated April 18, 2023, that the signatures of the verifier, the teller, and the approver are all authentic and genuine, and that these were made in the course of their ordinary performance of duties, and the date of encashment is April 25, 2023, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And insofar as Land Bank check number 000024, kindly show it to the screen, 5664, payable to Gina F. Acosta in the amount of 125 million, dated July 13, 2023. The signature of the verifier, teller, and approver on the dorsal side are also all authentic and were signed in the course of the performance of their ordinary duties, and that the date of encashment is July 14, 2023, correct?
We stipulate, Your Honor.
So stipulated, counsel from the panel of prosecutors, the Honorable Chua, given the stipulation, these are now deemed admissions for the information of the senator judges, and no proof or testimony is necessary to be presented by the panel of prosecutors. You may proceed, Honorable Chua.
Okay, with that, Your Honor, we would like to manifest that and state for the record, Your Honor, that the dorsal portion of the said checks were marked, Your Honor, as our Exhibit P, that's Roman numeral 1, that's 28, that's A, that's 1 for the first check, Your Honor, and for the second check, Your Honor, Exhibit P, that's Roman numeral 1, that's 28, that's B, that's 1, and for the third check, Your Honor, Exhibit P, that's Roman numeral 1, that's 28, that's C, that's 1, and for the fourth check, Your Honor, is Exhibit P, that's Roman numeral 1, that's 28, D-1, Your Honor. For the record, Your Honor. Now,
Duly noted and entered into the records. You may
No.
proceed when you're ready.
thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness, dito po sa checking ito, may nakatatak po dito na certified true copy of the digital copy on file. Now, Madam Witness, pwede po ba malaman namin nasaan po ang original ng checking ito kung alam po ninyo?
Ang original copy po ng mga check-in nito ay na-shred na po siya.
Okay. Bakit po siya sinred kung alam po ninyo?
As per bank policy po, lahat po ng mga negotiated checks ay may retention period lang po ng 1 year. Kaya ito po ay sineshed na.
Okay. So sinasabi po ninyo na ang mga cheque ay sinesred. Now, Madam Witness, pag sinabi ninyong shred, ano po ang ibig sabihin ninyo ng salitang o katagang shred?
Ang meaning po ng shred, ito po ay dumadaan po siya sa machine shredder. So, napipira-piraso na po siya ng maliliit.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, sabi ninyo yung physical copy ng mga checking ito ay na-shred na. Ngayon, ano ang relasyon nitong digital copies na ito sa mga cheque na galing sa Land Bank na binabanggit mong cheque?
Ano po ang relasyon?
Yes,
Ito
ano po?
po yung mga cheque po na na-encash po nga ni Miss Gina Acosta.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pupunta po tayo sa proseso ng encashment ng 4 na cheque. Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ano ang proseso ng encashment dito po sa 4 na checking ito? Kung maalala po ninyo.
Ang process po na encashment namin, particularly ito pong transaction na to, ay malaki po yung amount involved. So meron pong tumatawag sa amin from cash division po ng OVP a day or two prior po doon sa encashment na
Okay. Sige po, tuloy po ninyo.
meron po silang for encashment nga po na 125 million.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, binanggit ninyo meron sa inyong tumatawag from the cash department ng OBP. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po, sino po ang tumatawag sa inyo from the cash department ng OBP? Kung maalala lang po ninyo.
Yung sa cash division po yun ng OVP, si Miss Queenie Masangkay po.
Winnie Masangkay. At sino naman po sa inyong branch ang tinatawagan ni Miss Queenie Masangkay?
Ako po, ang
Okay po.
tinatawagan niya.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, paano po ninyo nalaman na si Miss Queenie Masangkay ay from cash department ng OBP?
Bali siya po yung liaison ng OVP from the cash division at siya rin po yung tumatawag po sa akin sa other banking needs po nila.
Okay. So, Madam Witness, kanina binanggit ninyo na kaya tumatawag sa inyo si Miss Queenie Masangkay para i-advise kayo a day or two prior?
Opo.
Bakit po kailangan kayong i-advise a day or two prior sa encashment?
Bali, meron po kasing cash involved limit lang po ang branch. So, wala po kaming any given day na amount po for that much po. Kaya kailangan po namin itong mag-request po sa aming cash center for assistance.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, pagkatapos po kayong tawagan ni Miss Queenie Masangkay, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari kung meron man po?
Bali po, kino-communicate ko po sa aming branch cashier na meron pong ganitong cash requirement po ang Office of the Vice President. At the same time po, para po maka-coordinate po siya sa aming cash center for the cash transfer po.
So pagkatapos po, mag-request o ma-coordinate ng inyong cashier, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari kung meron man po?
Bali po, pagdating na ng cash na ito, tinatawagan ko po si Miss Queenie Masangkay po na available na po yung cash sa branch.
Okay. So pagkatapos po ninyong tawagan si Miss Queenie Masangkay, ano na po ang susunod pang mangyayari kung meron man po?
Bali, pumupunta na po si Miss Gina Acosta at si Mr. Ortonio po sa branch para po mag-encash.
Okay. Ngayon, binanggit po ninyo ang isang pangalang Miss Gina Acosta at Mr. Ortonio. Paano po ninyo nakilala si Ms. Acosta at si Mr. Ortonio?
Una ko pong nakilala si Mr. Ortonio kasi bali isa po siya sa mga authorized signatories po ng OVP. And then inintroduce niya po si Ms. Gina Acosta na siya po yung pay ng cheque worth 125 million po.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, pagpunta po sa inyo ni Ms. Gina Acosta at ni Mr. Ortonio, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari?
Noong first encounter ko po sa kanila, bali po yung cheque na yon ay binigay po ni Ms. Gina together with her identification card niya. So, finorward ko po ito sa verifier para po ma-process.
So pagkatapos po ninyo i-forward sa verifier para ma-process, ano na po ang susunod na nangyari kung meron man po?
Bali po, bine-verify po ito ni verifier, yung mga authorized signatories po ng cheque. And then, chinecheck niya rin po sa system kung ito po ay mayroon ng advice from the OVP para po ito ay i-release na.
Okay. So pagkatapos po ma-check, kung meron ng advice, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari kung meron man po?
Na-forward na po ito sa teller para po encode sa system at para po makapag-request na po siya ng cash.
Okay. So pag-forward sa teller, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari kung meron man po?
Pag po na-approve na rin po ng approver, tatawagin na po niya si Ms. Gina Acosta para po mapareceive niya po yung cash.
Okay. So sabi ninyo, tatawagin ni approver si Ms. Gina Acosta para tanggapin na yung cash.
Si teller po ang tumatawag
Okay.
po.
Tatawagin ni Taylor si Ms. Gina Acosta para
Ipa-receive na po yung
ipa-receive na yung cash. Ano na po ang susunod mangyayari pagkatapos pong i-inform ni Taylor si Ms. Gina Acosta?
Bali, since malaki din nga po yung amount, gina-guide po si Gina Acosta papasok po sa backroom para po doon i-release yung cash.
Okay. Ngayon, may binabanggit po kayong backroom. Sino-sino po ang nasa backroom kung alam po ninyo?
Noong pong unang release po noong cash, ako po ang nandoon, si teller, yung branch cashier, si Miss Gina, and then si Mr. Limuel po.
Okay.
Ortonio.
So pagdating ninyo sa backroom, ano na po yung mga sumunod na pangyayari kung meron man po?
Nirelease po yung ng teller po, after po ma-receive sa cheque po, yung payment received, nirelease na po ni teller yung cash kay Miss Gina in packs po siya worth 1 million each po.
Okay, so maalala po ba ninyo kung ilang packs po ang nirelease kay Ms. Gina Acosta?
Bali 125 packs po yun.
125 packs. Okay. Now, pagkatapos pong i-release itong pera in packs, in 125 packs, ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari?
Bali nilalagay na po nila yon sa dala po nilang bags.
Okay. Ngayon, meron po kayong binanggit na bag. Madam Witness, anong klaseng bag ang pinaglagyan ng pera kung maalala po ninyo?
Sa pagkaalala ko po, isang mahabang malaking bag po siya. Para pong gym bag.
Okay. Madam Witness, ilang bag po ang dala po ni Ms. Gina Acosta at ni Mr. Ortonio?
Sa pagkaalala ko po, mga 3 to 4 bags po yun.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, sabi ninyo, nilagay dito yung 125 million sa 3 to 4 bags. Okay. Ano na po ang susunod na mangyayari pagkalagay po nila dito po sa bag?
Lalabas na po sila ng bangko.
Okay. Madam Witness, si Miss Gina Acosta lang po ba? O sino, may kasama pa po ba si Miss Gina Acosta at saka si Limuel Ortonio?
Sa pagkaalala ko po, meron po silang kasama.
Ilan po, kung maalala po ninyo?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, paglabas po nila, meron po ba sa bangko na empleyado na tumulong sa kanila para bitbitin po itong bag kung meron man po?
Wala po, sir.
Bakit po wala?
It's against bank policy po na tumulong po sa mga kliyente, ang mga empleyado or even po yung security guards po namin.
Bakit po yun against sa bank policy, Madam Witness?
In case po na for safety and security measures din po, para po hands off na po ang bangko once na ma-release na po yung physical cash po.
Okay. Now, Madam Witness, ito pong huling tanong ko. How much po in total, Madam Witness, ang winidraw in relation po dito po sa 4 na checking binabanggit po ninyo?
Ang total po ng 4 na cheque, mga po siya, kalahating bilyon po.
Okay. That would be all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Honorable Chua. Cross from the Council for Respondent, Attorney Poe. You may proceed when you're ready, sir.
Nothing to cross, Your Honor, from our end. However, Your Honor, may I just make a manifestation just on the markings, Your Honor?
Council may do so.
Just on the markings of the check, we'd also like to put on record, Your Honors, that for check with ending 244027 dated December 20, 2022, this is marked by the prosecution on the face of the check as T-1-130-OBP. On the dorsal portion, it is D-1-130-OVP-1. For the second check dated January 31, 2023, ending with 244053. On the face of the check, this is marked as D-1-131-OVP. Dorsal portion is marked as D-1-131-OVP-1. For the third check dated April 13, 2023, with ending 245511, face of the check is marked as D-1-132-OBP, while the dorsal portion was marked as D-1-132-OBP-1. The fourth and last check, ending 245664, dated July 13, 2023. The face of the check was marked as D-1-133-OBP, while the dorsal portion was marked as T-1-133-OBP-1. That is all, Your Honors. Again, nothing to cross from our end.
Yeah. Yeah. Just to correct you, the check ending in 5511 is dated April 18.
Correct, Your Honor. April 18, 2023.
No, you mentioned 13 earlier,
I stand
according
corrected,
to.
yeah.
So it's 18.
Yes, 18, Your Honor.
Thank you. Given that there is no cross and therefore no redirect, we now proceed to allow the senator judges for their interventions.